Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change the color of the sketch in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. Here you can see that I'm using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters gram second. So first of all, we will create a simple cube. I will select front plane, sketch, and here I will create a center rectangle like this. And let's dimension it. Let's say it is 100. And I will select this line and I will select this line by holding Control key and I will make it equal. Okay, you can see sketch color is turned into black. I will go to here, features, extruded boss, and I will extrude it, let's say from the mid plane, and let's make it 150 and I will select OK. Now we will create 3 sketches on these faces, on this face, on this face, and on this face. Okay, so let's select top face, sketch, and here I will create a straight slot like this, and okay, I will exit this sketch. We will change the sketch color in the end. Okay, let's make a polygon here with 6 sides like this. I will exit this sketch as well, and lastly I will create a circle here like this. Okay, now you can see that the sketch color is still gray. So let's change the sketch color. So I will go to here, sketch, right click, and here I will select this option, sketch color, and let's say I will change it to blue and I will select OK. Now you can see the sketch color is turned into blue. Let's change this one, polygon, right click, and then sketch color, and let's change it to, let's say, this one, and lastly I will change the this color, this sketch color, and let's change it to maybe green and select OK. So that's how you can change the sketch color in SolidWorks. And let's say if I am in this sketch, so let's make another circle. So this sketch would be in green color as well. Okay, just watch. You can see all the sketch of this, you can see that all the sketch entities from this current sketch will be in green color. Okay, let's undo it. So that's how you can change the sketch color in SolidWorks. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers and students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics like FEA, engineering drawing, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.